I know some of you have been having issues starting this hamster combat bot. As usual, for those who used to click on this play in one click, this button is no longer working. There are two ways to go about this. It's either you use this command start, that is, you just type start just like you have it on screen and click on this, or you just use this blue button to start your bot. So as you can see that this works fine. If you use the previous click, it won't work, so you just have to use the blue button to actually get your bot running again. So if you're unable to claim yesterday's daily cipher, I'll quickly take you through that so that you can claim your daily cipher for yesterday. So let's head back to the exchange tab and click on daily cipher. Our daily cipher for yesterday, the first letter was M, which is long for M, followed by E, which is short, then followed by R, which is short, long, short, and followed by K, which is long, short, long. Okay, so I have to take that again. The first letter is M, which is long, and followed by E, which is short, then R, which is short, long, short. Okay, then followed by K, which is long, short, long, and followed by L, which is short, long, short, short, and lastly E, which is short. So that's our daily cipher for yesterday, and it's still active for today. We still have 16 hours before this expires. Then I quickly want to say something. You can go to the end tab, make sure that you've checked on these videos and claim your reward. If you are yet to, make sure you claim your reward, as you can see on screen. Okay, this is yet available, this is unavailable yet rather. So that's for the daily cipher, and I believe with this you'll be able to get back and keep on tapping on your board. So